Warning: don't use coconut oil without watching this video. Albert Einstein once said, "Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better." Have you ever wondered if there's a single ingredient that could transform your health, beauty, and well-being in ways you never imagined? Would you like to discover a natural secret that millions of people are already using to improve their lives daily? In the next few minutes, we're going to reveal the incredible benefits of coconut oil, a treasure from nature that could revolutionize your daily routine. But beware, don't use coconut oil without first watching this video. Stay with us until the end, because what you're about to discover could be the key to a healthier and happier life. Coconut oil has been a hidden treasure in many tropical cultures for centuries. This incredible oil, extracted from the meat of coconuts, has played a vital role not only in food but also in traditional medicine and beauty practices. The coconut tree, known as the tree of life, is native to coastal regions of Southeast Asia, India, the Philippines, and the Pacific Islands. The earliest records of coconut oil usage date back over 4,000 years. In many of these cultures, coconuts and their oil were not just a source of nutrition, but also an integral part of traditional medicine. In India, coconut oil has been an essential part of Ayurvedic medicine for over 5,000 years. It was used to treat a wide variety of ailments, from digestive issues to skin infections. Polynesian warriors consumed coconut oil before battles to increase their energy and stamina, believing it gave them superhuman strength. In Pacific cultures, coconut oil was used to heal wounds and burns due to its high lauric acid content, which has antimicrobial properties that help fight infections. Coconut oil came to the attention of the Western world during the colonial era when Europeans explored and colonized the Pacific Islands. However, its popularity fluctuated over the centuries, especially in the 20th century, when saturated fats, which make up most of coconut oil, were vilified by the medical community. In recent decades, there has been a rediscovery of coconut oil in the Western world. Modern research has challenged outdated notions about saturated fats, revealing the many health benefits of coconut oil. Recent studies have shown that coconut oil has potent antioxidant properties that can help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, research has indicated that the medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, present in coconut oil can provide a quick energy source of the brain, enhancing cognitive function and protecting against neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Unlike other fats, the MCTs in coconut oil are quickly metabolized and can boost metabolism, aiding in weight management and the reduction of abdominal fat. During World War II, when the supply of coconut oil was disrupted, its industrial uses were discovered, such as in soap and cosmetics manufacturing. This period spurred research into its unique chemical properties. A little-known curiosity is that during World War II, coconut oil was used to treat parachute cords to keep them flexible and water-resistant. This use highlights coconut oil's versatility beyond cooking and personal care. Coconut oil has come a long way from its origins on tropical coasts to becoming a beloved and rediscovered ingredient worldwide. Its rich and diverse history is just the beginning of what makes this oil so special. Secrets for health. Coconut oil. More than just a culinary ingredient. Coconut oil is much more than a cooking ingredient. It is a powerful health ally with multiple benefits backed by scientific research. One of its most notable aspects is its lauric acid content, a medium-chain fatty acid with antimicrobial properties that can help fight bacteria and viruses. This is especially important in a world where bacterial and viral infections are on the rise. Regular consumption of coconut oil can strengthen the immune system and help maintain optimal health. In addition to its antimicrobial properties, coconut oil is a rich source of antioxidants. Antioxidants are crucial for combating oxidative stress in the body, a contributing factor in many chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Consuming coconut oil can help reduce damage caused by free radicals, promoting cellular health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Positive impact on cardiovascular health. One remarkable benefit of coconut oil is its positive impact on cardiovascular health. For a long time, saturated fats were considered harmful to the heart. However, recent studies have shown that the medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, in coconut oil can increase levels of good cholesterol, HDL, while decreasing levels of bad cholesterol, LDL. This improvement in the lipid profile may contribute to better cardiovascular health and a reduced risk of heart disease. Boosting brain function. Coconut oil can also enhance brain function. The MCTs in coconut oil are rapidly metabolized by the liver and converted into ketones, which can serve as an efficient energy source for the brain. Research has suggested that ketones can provide an alternative energy source for brain cells and may benefit people with neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. Preliminary studies have shown that consuming coconut oil may improve cognitive function in individuals with mild to moderate cognitive impairment. Weight management and digestive health. Another important benefit of coconut oil is its ability to aid in weight management. The MCTs in coconut oil can boost metabolism and promote calorie burning. Unlike other fats that are stored in the body, MCTs are quickly metabolized and used as an immediate energy source. This can lead to increased satiety and a reduction in total caloric intake, which may benefit those looking to lose or maintain weight. Coconut oil also offers benefits for digestive health. Its antimicrobial properties can help balance gut flora and combat intestinal infections. Furthermore, MCTs can enhance nutrient absorption, contributing to improved digestive and overall health. Beauty secrets with coconut oil. Coconut oil has gained immense popularity in the world of beauty and personal care, and it's easy to see why. This versatile oil is not only beneficial for internal health, but also offers numerous advantages for the skin and hair, making it an essential component of many beauty routines. One of the most common uses of coconut oil is as a natural moisturizer. Its ability to deeply penetrate the skin makes it an excellent remedy for dry, flaky skin. Unlike many commercial products that contain artificial ingredients and may cause irritation, coconut oil is completely natural and gentle on the skin. Applying a small amount of coconut oil can help keep the skin soft, supple, and hydrated. Regular use may also improve skin elasticity, helping to prevent the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Coconut oil is also known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These qualities make it ideal for treating skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Coconut oil's numerous benefits for both health and beauty make it a true natural treasure, worthy of a place in your daily routine. Lauric acid benefits for skin and hair. The lauric acid in coconut oil helps reduce inflammation and fight bacteria that can cause acne breakouts. For those seeking a natural, chemical-free treatment for skin issues, coconut oil can be an effective alternative. In hair care, coconut oil is a true savior. Its unique molecular structure allows it to penetrate the hair more effectively than other oils, providing deep hydration from within. This helps repair damaged hair, reduce breakage and split ends, and improve overall hair texture. Applying coconut oil as a hair mask can leave hair softer, shinier, and more manageable. Simply massage the oil into the scalp and along the hair length. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Coconut oil can also be used as a leave-in conditioner. Applying a small amount to the ends of the hair can help control frizz and keep hair soft and smooth throughout the day. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties can help maintain a healthy scalp, preventing issues like dandruff and dryness. Coconut oil and beauty. Coconut oil is also a popular makeup remover. Its gentle texture and moisturizing properties make it ideal for effectively removing makeup without drying out the skin. Coconut oil can dissolve even waterproof makeup, leaving skin clean and nourished. To use it as a makeup remover, simply apply a small amount to your face, gently massage, and remove with a damp cloth. It also works well as a lip balm. Its hydrating properties help keep lips soft and free from cracks, especially in cold and dry climates. Its pleasant taste and aroma make it a delightful product for lip care. Additionally, coconut oil can be a valuable ally for nail care. Applying a small amount to cuticles and nails helps strengthen them and prevent dryness and brittleness. This results in stronger nails that are less prone to breaking. Mixed with garlic, coconut oil can also help eliminate nail fungus. Culinary uses of coconut oil. Coconut oil is also a versatile and delicious ingredient in the kitchen. Its unique combination of fatty acids and resistance to high temperatures make it ideal for a variety of culinary applications. One of the most common uses of coconut oil in cooking is for high-heat cooking. Unlike many other oils that break down and lose their nutritional properties when heated, coconut oil remains stable and does not oxidize easily. This makes it an excellent option for frying and sautéing. Whether preparing a vegetable stir-fry or frying chicken, coconut oil provides a safe and healthy medium for cooking. In addition to its heat resistance, coconut oil adds a unique and delicious flavor to dishes. Its subtle tropical hint can transform ordinary recipes into exotic culinary creations. For example, using coconut oil to cook rice can impart a mild coconut flavor, adding a new dimension to this staple food. Similarly, adding a spoonful of coconut oil to your smoothies can not only enhance the taste, but also provide a boost of healthy fats. Coconut oil as a baking alternative. Coconut oil is an excellent substitute for butter and other oils in baking. Due to its solid consistency at room temperature, it can replace butter in recipes for cookies, cakes, and breads, providing a rich texture and a mild coconut flavor. This substitution is particularly useful for those following vegan diets or who are lactose intolerant. For instance, in a brownie recipe, replacing butter with coconut oil can result in a dessert with an exotic flavor and a dense, delicious texture. An interesting tip is that coconut oil can also be used to make healthier popcorn. By using coconut oil instead of butter or vegetable oil, you not only achieve incredible flavor, but also reduce trans fats and increase antioxidant content. Coconut oil in beverages. Coconut oil also has applications in drink preparation. It can be used to make bulletproof coffee, a popular beverage among those following ketogenic diets. This coffee, which combines coconut oil with butter or ghee, promises to boost energy levels and improve focus, offering a sustained energy source without the sugar crashes. Nutritional benefits of coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are quickly metabolized by the body and provide a rapid source of energy. This makes coconut oil particularly valuable for athletes and active individuals needing a quick energy boost. Additionally, MCTs can aid in weight loss by increasing calorie burning and promoting a feeling of fullness. Another fascinating use of coconut oil in cooking is its ability to enhance nutrient absorption. Studies have shown that consuming coconut oil alongside other foods can increase the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Adding coconut oil to salads or vegetables not only improves flavor, but also optimizes the nutritional value of the meal. Benefits for overall well-being. Coconut oil can significantly contribute to overall well-being, improving quality of life in many ways. One of the most notable benefits of coconut oil is its ability to boost energy and endurance. The MCTs in coconut oil are rapidly metabolized by the liver, becoming an immediate energy source. This can be especially beneficial for athletes and active individuals who need a quick and sustained energy boost. Incorporating coconut oil into a daily diet can help enhance physical and mental stamina, improving performance in daily and athletic activities. Coconut oil can also play a crucial role in stress management and mood improvement. The aroma of coconut has aromatherapeutic properties that may help reduce stress levels and promote a sense of calm and well-being. Using coconut oil as a massage oil or adding a few drops to a warm bath can provide a relaxing and rejuvenating effect, relieving accumulated tension and enhancing emotional wellness. Digestive health benefits. Coconut oil has a positive impact on digestive health. Its antimicrobial properties can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which is crucial for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Additionally, the MCTs in coconut oil can enhance the absorption of vitamins and minerals, positively affecting overall digestive health. A healthy digestive system is fundamental to general well-being, as it influences energy levels, mood, and immune function. Oral health. Coconut oil can also benefit oral health. The practice of oil pulling, which involves swishing coconut oil in the mouth for a few minutes before spitting it out, can help reduce plaque, combat harmful bacteria, and improve overall oral health. This ancient practice has proven effective in maintaining fresh breath and preventing common dental problems. Weight management and metabolism. Coconut oil can be a valuable tool for weight management and metabolic improvement. The MCTs in coconut oil can increase metabolic rates, helping the body burn more calories at rest. This is particularly beneficial for individuals seeking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, coconut oil can promote a feeling of fullness, helping to reduce overall calorie intake and curb cravings. Coconut oil and a stronger immune system. Coconut oil can also contribute to a stronger immune system. Its antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties help protect the body against infections and illnesses. Incorporating coconut oil into your diet can provide additional defense against pathogens, enhancing the body's overall resistance to disease. Throughout this video, we have explored the incredible benefits of coconut oil for health, beauty, cooking, and overall well-being. From its ability to improve brain function and cardiovascular health, to its role in skin and hair care, coconut oil stands out as a true natural treasure. Incorporating this versatile oil into your daily life can bring significant improvements to your quality of life, promoting a state of comprehensive well-being. If you've been exploring the amazing benefits of coconut oil for health and well-being, why not take it a step further with a fully personalized approach to your diet? The custom Keto Diet Plan works hand in hand with natural ingredients like coconut oil, helping you harness its powerful properties to fuel your body, enhance fat burning, and support overall vitality. No more starving yourself or endless restrictions, just a sustainable, delicious way to incorporate foods like coconut oil into your routine while reaching your health and weight goals. Ready to transform your life? Click the link in the description to start your personalized journey today. Spots are limited, so don't wait. Combine the magic of coconut oil with a plan designed just for you. Stay connected. Subscribe to the Wellness Insight for more expert tips on using natural solutions like coconut oil to complement your healthy lifestyle. Like and share this video to inspire others on their path to better health. Have questions about the custom keto diet or the benefits of coconut oil? Drop them in the comments below. Don't stop here. Watch our next video to discover even more life-changing tips. Your transformation starts today. Together, we'll create a healthier, happier you.